It's another beautiful day with another delicious and easy creamy ice cream recipe. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. I hope you will love this because it was absolutely perfect and good. Please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. To start with this, I have my milk powder. Okay, that is 2 cups of milk powder. Use any milk powder of your choice and you are good to go. I will just go ahead and then add some water to it and then give it a stir. The purpose of this is that we just want the milk powder to melt very well before we add any other ingredients to it. It makes the mixing very easy, okay, or easier, okay. So I've added extra liquid to that and I will give it a stir, mix it very well to get that liquid form we are looking for, or paste form we are looking for. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, so please follow us everywhere for more videos. You can decide to use evaporated milk instead of the milk powder, okay, or you can use the two. But with this recipe we are using the milk powder. That is why I just want to melt it to be paste form or liquid form, just like the evaporated milk. Okay, yeah, thank you so much once again, and thank you my returning subscribers and followers. I don't take you for granted for always spending some time with me. I am so grateful. The channel wouldn't be here if it had not been you, okay? So I am so grateful. Please go through our videos and then watch other ice cream recipes. You will love them, trust me. So this is what we have. Just look at that. Very smooth, creamy, and perfect outcome. Yes, the next thing we are going to add is our coffee mix, okay? So use any coffee mix of your choice and you are good to go. Use any. I can't recommend some for you, please. I'm so sorry. Use any of your choice. Now I'll go ahead and then add my hot water to it, give it a stir, and then perfecto. So mix it very well, and when you are done, we will proceed. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video for me? I'll be very grateful if you do so. And I'll be very happy if you leave me your comment in the comment section and also share the video for me. Thank you so much. If the comment requires question, I will answer it immediately, okay? But if you leave a comment there and it's not question, please give me some time. There is a purpose for it, okay? Yes, I'm so sorry that I am not replying, but maybe I may explain it to you one day. Yes. Now, should you don't want to miss your milk powder like how we did earlier, you will just go ahead and then add it to the coffee at this moment. Mix it very well like how you are seeing, okay? And then that is perfect as well. But ensure that it is well mixed, okay? Because we don't want to see the milk powder somewhere and then the coffee will be somewhere. Like, we don't want a situation whereby it will not be very smooth. That is what I'm trying to say. With that, when you eat the ice cream, it feels some way. Yes, so always I prefer melting it before adding it to the coffee. But if you are a beginner, it will be very good to melt it like how we did earlier than to add it straight away like this. Else, when you are eating the ice cream, it tastes different way if it is not well mixed. Okay, now I've added my condensed milk, and with the condensed milk, add it according to your taste. If you want 2 tablespoons, just go for that. So what I'm adding right now is the ice cream base we prepared not long ago. The link will be in the description box, so please click on it and then go watch that video for me, and you will know the recipe for this. That is what I'm adding. Okay, I will add that to it and then we are good to go. So far I have added 2 cups of the ice cream base. The milk powder is still 2 cups. Okay, the one I mixed earlier, I did not add it to it, but I was just trying to suggest the other method to you, which with that I'll be using it for another 10, because this particular day was ice cream day. Okay, so we are just going to add extra 2 cups of the ice cream base. Again, very creamy, and I am reminding you again, please do well to watch how I made this. So far I have added 4 cups of that. I am actually adding it bit by bit for a reason. Okay, yes, not anything serious. Yes, so add any quantity of your choice, but so far I have added 4 cups of that, and just look at how creamy the ice cream looks. Very, very good. With the quantity of the coffee, please use any quantity of choice. Okay, yes. Now this is where we have gotten to, and let me show you how creamy the ice cream looks. Oh my goodness, absolutely perfect. If you are using coffee mix, it contains sugar already, so you don't need a lot of condensed milk. So I did not use a lot. I used about 2 tablespoons. Yes, and when I tasted it, oh my goodness, it tasted so good. Very creamy, perfect, and delicious. Now we are done. Just pour it in your cup, and when you pour it in your cup, put your chewing stick in it and then keep it in the freezer. But we tied it in the ice cream rubber, and I'm just going to do the same thing to all of the quantity left, and this is what we got. So keep it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours depending on your refrigerator, or the next day. And this, oh my goodness, was so nice. The family really fell in love with it, and they finished everything within some few days. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful, and please leave your comments in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.